Hello everyone and welcome to this video on how to use data science to improve your digital marketing strategies. If you are a digital marketer, you know how important it is to use data to make strategic decisions. In this video, we will show you how to use data science to improve your digital marketing strategies. Step 1. Collect data. The first step to using data science is to collect data. Use tools like Google Analytics, social media analytics, and email marketing analytics to gather data on user activities. Make sure to collect high-quality data and use reliable sources. Step 2. Analyze data. Once you have collected the data, the next step is to analyze it. Use data analysis tools like Python, R, and SQL to analyze the data and identify trends. Identify the key metrics that are important for your business and analyze the data to understand how to improve your digital marketing strategies. Step 3. Create a prediction model. Use data science to create a prediction model. Use machine learning to identify trends and develop a prediction model that helps you predict user behavior. Use the prediction model to improve your digital marketing strategy and gain a competitive advantage. Step 4. Implement strategies. Once you have analyzed the data and developed a prediction model, it's time to implement strategies. Use the data to create an effective digital marketing strategy that helps you achieve your business goals. Make sure to monitor your progress and make changes if necessary. Here are some benefits of using data science to improve your digital marketing strategies. Better understanding of your customers. Using data science allows you to gain a better understanding of your customers and develop marketing strategies that meet their needs. Increased efficiency. Using data science, you can identify trends and develop more effective marketing strategies, saving time and money. Greater precision. Using data science, you can predict user behavior and develop more precise and targeted marketing strategies. Better ROI. Using data science, you can develop more effective marketing strategies that help you achieve a greater ROI. In summary, using data science is a unique opportunity for digital marketers to improve their marketing strategies and achieve their business goals. Collecting data, analyzing it, creating a prediction model, and implementing strategies are the key steps to using data science to improve your digital marketing strategies. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest news in the world of digital marketing. Thank you for watching the video.